All you really need to understand about high temperature pyrolysis is high temperature means almost 1,000 degrees Celsius, and pyrolysis means without oxygen. So we're heating stuff up without oxygen.
CHAR Tech is a clean tech company that turns low-value organic waste like wood residues and biosolids into useful products. The company uses high-temperature pyrolysis, which means heating the material to very high temperatures in an oxygen-free environment so it breaks down cleanly instead of burning.
The projects we're developing are taking wood waste, so things like tree tops, tree limbs, sawdust, wood chips, all sorts of wood waste products, processing them through high-temperature pyrolysis to make two outputs: a gas that can be upgraded into energy products like renewable natural gas, and a carbon that we turn into what's called biocarbon. That biocarbon is a drop-in replacement for metallurgical coal applications like steelmaking or ferrosilicon production.
In April 2026, CHAR Tech closed the acquisition of Elkem's biocarbon assets in Saguenay, Quebec, including a pilot and demonstration production facility and related intellectual property. The deal also included a 5-year offtake for 62,500 tons of biocarbon, which helps support a path towards scaling commercial production.
Now we can develop projects in Quebec that make gas and biochar. The renewable natural gas these projects create can go into the gas grid and be sold, and the biochar can all come to a more centralized facility where we can make the biocarbon the finished product, and that can go to others.
CHAR's role in decarbonization is turning waste biomass into biocarbon that can replace fossil-based carbon in industrial processes, especially metals and materials manufacturing. By producing a renewable carbon product and recovering energy from the process, the company helps cut emissions while keeping carbon in use through a circular, lower carbon supply chain.
In a sense, CHAR Tech is providing that last mile of decarbonization. We're able to completely eliminate the use of fossil coal and bring those facilities to be fully carbon neutral through our products like biocarbon. And then the renewable natural gas is adding value to our facilities.
The scale of industrial decarbonization is enormous, and so is the need for low-carbon carbon sources like biocarbon. Heavy industries still rely on carbon for heat and chemical reactions, so replacing fossil-based inputs takes large, reliable volumes, not small pilots. That's why biocarbon is increasingly viewed as a scalable solution if production can grow to industrial size. This is a view demonstrated by the support CHAR has received from major industrial companies, strategic feedstock partners, and multiple levels of government.
We have a market-leading role in that biocarbon development, both from our own internal work and of course with the recent acquisition of some really advanced intellectual property from the acquisition in Saguenay. And so really bringing all that together, it's owning the long-term revenue streams and the long-term profitability of these decarbonization offtake streams.